Hi, good afternoon, everyone. How are you all today? Today is 13th of August, and we are here to bring you all another day review and also weekly updates in the financial markets. As usual, on our scheduled timetable, we will be sharing with you the price section analysis. Should you have any questions, please do not hesitate uh, to leave a message at the chat box, and I will be replying to you all shortly. I really hope everyone is having a good time. And just wait a moment, I need to admit all the people to be in. All right, another one, another one, another one. Okay, all right. So first of all, let me give you a bit of review about what's going on in the market, right? We have got for this week. You see, like we spoke about it earlier. Like we have got a lot of vaccination development going on. Then on the other hand, we have got jobless claims that are in the watch list today from US coming up, and then we will also be looking into some of the earnings of the recently we had. We noticed that Cisco actually had earnings below expectation. So I think this would be actually going down, which will be a bearish momentum. All right. Other than that, we also had latest news. The name was Harris, which will be the opposite of Donald Trump. Let me just sorry for my correction because what's her name? Yeah, her name is Kamala Harris, which basically is blaming Trump for the severity of US coronavirus outbreak because he failed to take it seriously from the start. So she will be in the opposition electing the presidential election. All right. So these are the few news is actually important for you to watch because it always keep you updated and also keep you informed about what's going on about fundamentally. All right. So let's get started on our price section analysis. I believe all of you have limited time. I believe all of you would be having some commitments. So like I mentioned again, the purpose of doing this webinar, I like to repeat again, is that to help you so that you can search some potential opportunities in the stock market and also in the forex market. Okay, so first of all, let's just see. I'm having Microsoft in front of me. So guys, you were here with me yesterday. And what did I say? From this particular zone, this will be bouncing up, and it did happen. All right, look at that from this particular zone, right? And it actually went up about when the market opened about how many shares? Yeah, let's just say here, it went up about. You see, it dropped down and went back up for about $5. Okay, so what is the focus for this? This is actually bullish. It is going up. Look at the trend where we are forecasting. If let's say you are in a buy position on it, stay on it, and you can actually remain on the buy side. For McDonald's also we had a forecast that even if it makes a correction overall, it will be upside. So I think you can remain on the buy side. Let's just see on Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs also has almost completing the pattern. This level will be a profit taking for short term traders, right? And for let's just say here HD, look at that. You see HD retraced a little bit, but then it started to shoot up because I told you before, overall it is an uptrend. Cisco, we are expecting this to fall today. So you can actually buy this back because earnings are below expectation. Once this fall, probably to this particular zone, assuming when the Cisco will fall, you can actually buy this back because price action will allow you to take another entry, a buy entry on it. All right. So I see that we expect this to fall, and then you can actually buy back. One of our dear client has actually asked me a question: how do I determine the stop loss or take profit level? For example, how do you determine if you are buying? Usually, let me share with you. Yeah, when the market is trending up, right, it is forming higher lows. Okay, like this. All right. Okay, that's all. Now, in this particular zone, let me just analyze it for you. here, if you see from here and then here, do you see that each time it makes a low, the price bounces up? So for example, if this price is coming back here and you want to buy somewhere around here, okay, somewhere around here or here, your stop loss will be at the previous low from where the market has rebounded. Previous low, okay, means if you bought it here, your stop loss has to previous the low from where the market. So you can always put a stop loss. Let's say you are buying from here, or let's say you're buying from here, then you can put the stop loss at the previous low. Okay, that is the technique. If let's say if you're good enough to determine the market has rebounded, when the market is making a reversal, you can even put a stop loss here. But if this could be too close, you can put the stop loss at the previous low. That is for when the market is trending up. Now for downtrend, usually when at the previous high, see when the market is going downwards, up and then down and then back up and then down. Let's say you want to sell here, okay? You can put a stop loss right above, but it's better you put more above, more secure, and then calculate your risk to reward ratio. Okay, so that's how you can actually determine your stop loss. I'm looking at H1 time frame, okay, or H4 time frame. You can, this is how you can determine your stop loss. Now, how you can determine a TP, take profit, right? The previous high level from where the market has rebounded. Let's say from if the market is going down, which will be happening today, this is going to drop, happens, then your TP could be this. If you buy from here, this will be the TP. That's the highest point from where the market has came down. You know, so once you buy around here, you put the TP here, from here to there, and stop loss at the previous level. All right. So I hope that this will help you to analyze, to determine on the. Now, let's say if you're downtrend, okay. You can analyze the previous low from when the market has actually rebounded. So this is how you can actually adjust your stop loss and your TP level. I will share with you more on the Forex part. Tesla, like I anticipated, this has to go up. Look at that, you see, the direction is to the upside on this as well. If you see here what this has done, you see from here, this is a signal already appeared. It's a good buy. Even if it comes back, retest, overall it is a buy. Okay, so Tesla forecast also looking good. Good entry to take and go for long. Cisco is going to drop, you're going to see tonight. Nike, you see that from here, it has been trending up. If you are in a buy, you can remain on a buy. No worries about it. Hold it and let it run. We'll tell you when to close. Okay, MCO Walmart is okay. Walmart is since 2018 trending up. Yeah, looks like uptrend, but I see not a good opportunity yet to go in on this. So what you can do is this. Okay, stay out of it first. I'll give you a signal on this later. Moving on. Apple. Apple is also developing a flag, but I see there's a correction coming soon on this. But you see, it is actually developing a flag. Yes, that's right. So if you're a short-term trader, you can put a stop loss below here. Okay, here. But I won't buy on this. I think I'll wait for a better setup. Just to give you an idea, if you're a short-term trader, you can actually do that. Let it come down and then you can actually buy back. So let's skip Apple for now. Facebook. Okay. Now for Facebook, For Facebook, I see it can come down a bit. Okay, if it falls back around this zone, yeah, around this particular zone, this level. It comes down here, right? You can actually buy this back with be good entry. Don't buy this now because it is it is in a retracement right now. Amazon, we are waiting for it to fall back. Draw this trend line together with me. Okay, draw it together with me if you can. On H1, draw it if you possible. Draw it and keep your eyes on this trend line. Once this price will touch this here, right? This will be developing a buying opportunity for you. Okay, so make sure you can actually don't buy and do anything yet. Let's just observe. Once it hits there, then you can go for long. Pfizer, no, I don't want to recommend this. Wait. Okay, for Visa, didn't really move much yesterday. I see matter of time it's going up, but if at all it comes back to this particular zone, you can buy this back because either from here or from here. Like you see, overall the direction is upside. So these two levels that we will be looking into for this. So for now, I see it's going to retrace a bit. Then it will be going up. These two angles you can look into. So the most precise stop loss will be around below these two lows. Safer. Okay, that's what is for Visa, for PayPal. I spoke to you that it is going to retrace. It is retracing down. Let it come down. Let it come down a bit more, if you can. Once it comes down a bit more, then buy this back because look at the trend. We are waiting for this channel. So, okay, so I see that no need to buy yet. We let it come down. For Johnson and Johnson looks good to buy. I see, you see, it's giving us that pattern. I have already analyzed on this before, and it is going exactly according to our forecast. Remember, here we drawn this, and then the pattern has gone out of here. So far, correct forecast, correct forecast. Hopefully this time also we will be right. It is going up. Okay, you want to use a stop loss, you can use a stop loss below because from this point the market has rebounded. Or you want to use a bit lower also can to be more safer so you don't hit your stop loss. Okay, that's what it is. Up. Exit level could be here. But again, you need to calculate your risk to reward ratio, you know. From here, then your risk is more, your reward is less, then it doesn't make a good trade. I would rather hope, but if I want to buy it, then I will just leave it run for 1 month or 2 months. So for United Health America, as if you remember, I spoke from this point, it has to come down. It tried to retrace, but it didn't come down. But it is actually struggling. So if it's going to break this resistance, like I spoke about it, goes up, comes back and retest, then we overall it will be buying opportunity. See from here, we anticipated that it should be coming down. It did not happen, right? But it come down away, but then rebound. Okay, good. So if this is going to break this resistance from here, then you can actually buy this back. Intel Corporation, if you see, this is what we have done on this. It looks like the bullish candles are appearing, giving us a buy signal. So our focus is to the upside on this. Wait and watch, it will happen. Give me a moment, we will go to Forex, but let me just finish first on this part. Let me find more and more and more. Do you have any stock in mind? You can let me know. I will be checking it out for you. Just pick any. HSBC, Goldman Sachs, Lead Sciences, check Lead Sciences, Bank of America. Yeah, I think I already have it there. Boeing. Boeing has been going down because no business for the airline industry. Definitely it has to go down. Morgan Stanley. For Morgan Stanley is here. You might be wondering, I'm all the time talking about all those stocks because for me, I want to spend my time and give you the analysis on the stocks that are highly recommended. Otherwise, stocks are many. Netflix. Netflix also did well because a lot of people while staying at home, they were into this, what do you call that, online, what do you call that? Watching all this online subscriptions at home and also actually also picked up. So let's just say for during the time of pandemic, which during the time of lockdown, Netflix, let's just have a look. It has came down, and I see it's forming a new buy opportunity. You know, weak support, verified resistance. Go to H4. Okay, if this stock is coming back to this, comes back about $30, you will be buying this back. Okay. Yes, I see that this would be currently it is in a retracement, but overall it will give you a lift. If you want, you can enter even now, but make sure your stop loss is right below here. Okay, calculate, and your TP could be this highest level. You can evaluate your stop loss and TP level. Okay, this is a setup I see. If but wait for it to come down a bit, then what will happen is that if you enter at this price, your stop loss will be smaller. You can even go here, then let the TP run. So somewhere around here, this is a, you want to set a buy limit also can, otherwise just wait and see when the price reaches to this particular zone, it will give you a welcome buying opportunity. Okay, that's what. MasterCard is going up, it will be going up. So Yandex. Yandex is also looking good, looking good, bullish. It's looking good, it's bullish, right? So what is it you're going to do? If sometimes you have difficulty to find an opportunity, entry, usually you can always use moving average crossover for this. So you see, these are the stocks that they did very well during the time of the serious illness of coronavirus. You see over here, and then right after that, it started to move up. So these are good stocks actually, even though for me, I'm looking at a bit of correction happens, right? This will give you another lift to the upside because look at the trend overall, they are going up. Okay, so from here, you'll see from overall, if you see overall, it is trending up since March, it is bullish. But I see that it's going to retrace a bit. After retracement will be another buying opportunity for this. So usually what I do is that very simple technique. If you want to use, you can always do the cross. I think many of you know this crossover. I will share with you here. Okay, so you see this crossover when it crosses from the bottom above. You see previously also here up and then here up. right? Then here also up, then here also up. Now this is going to retrace, right? Let it retrace, no problem. Let it come down. Once this will be, let's say like that, I put this red color, okay? Then I put the green one here. Once this green one, moving average, will be giving you an entry like this, crossover like that, you buy. Because you see now here, it is down. Once this green line enter in, you can buy ready. Okay, there's one technique I can give you to because you see overall the trend is going long. Okay, yen that's done. So moving on to other McDonald's we have done. PayPal, we have done analysis on this. Some of you who have missed it and came in late, you can always watch the recording. So I will be posting the recording later. Glede Sciences. For the Glede Sciences, oh yo, this one down la. Forget it. Don't want. Sony Corporation, nah, this one looking good. Yep, this one looking good. So you can also apply the two moving averages. Even you can buy now and just leave it there, or you can actually apply the two moving average crossover for this. This will help you. Let me just show you here. Yeah, here, 50, 20. I'll just show you here just to make it easy for you. See here on H1 time frame, previously crosses and goes up. Oh, look at that. There's already a signal appeared. You see from here also. Hey, where is it? Where is it? You see here? Up. From here also went up. Here also go up. Right? Here. Okay, and then from here also go up. Now here and this one also go very nice move. You see, this is beautiful. No, again this one. Again is a buy signal. You can buy this. You can use a very tight stop loss here. You know, just below here, your TP can be here. This okay. We find this one is a good entry. I see this crossover. So this is Sony. You can buy this. Okay. Now, let's move on to Forex. Has been a challenging time for Forex traders, I believe. So let's have a look on, first of all, this. Like I spoke to you earlier, I was not recommending any trade on this, GBP Oz. I'm not going to recommend even today as well, because for this one is still developing a pattern. Okay, so for me, I am actually long on this, but see, you need to see a break right above here from this pattern. Till then, don't buy yet. Don't buy, don't sell in between. You see a break above here, then it will give you a lift up to the upside. GBP USD price has been playing around a verified support, but I see that this pair will go down matter of time. But you see, it has been held in between this particular support. Okay, this particular support. I see this is developing a descending triangle. If you see from here, this is developing a descending triangle, and then it needs to break this zone to keep falling, which is not happening yet. Okay, the price is stuck in between in this range. You buy, the market come down. You sell, the market goes. You sell, the market goes up. So that's what it is doing now. You see that here. Look at that overall. So I think it's good time to stay out of it. So once it breaks this below, you see, when I see the focus from me, if you want to sell this, you can put a stop loss here. All right. And your exit level will be this. Okay, so this is what I see for GBP USD, but it is struggling right now. Moving on to some other pairs, CAD CHF. So for CAD CHF, I had a forecast yesterday. Once the price goes out of from here, it will start to come down, and you see it start to come down also. But again, it is struggling. You see, even though the price did go out from here, but it's struggling, and I see that it is it's going to take a bit of time. Okay, so for EuroCAD, EuroCAD is going down overall. It's developing a downtrend. Like you see, I spoke about it before. From here to there, yes, a matter of time, this will be going down. That means from this, around this particular zone, we are expecting this to come back to the downside. Because if you see on daily chart, here it is from this zone, it is developing a downtrend. And I see that it will be going down. All right, this is for EuroCAD. Gold. Gold, a massive sell-off the other day. I actually posted a price action analysis on it. It was a massive sell-off. And I see it's going to go down further because once the vaccine is coming, people are going to move out money from gold, because previously all this while the developments of coronavirus and the vaccination was not ready yet. Now since there's development coming up, people want to move the money out now from gold, and that's why I see gold can actually fall down today, can come down to this zone intraday basis. For GBP JPY also didn't come down because it has been pushing up. But what is it? I mean, do I need to recommend? Okay, I will not recommend any entry on it now, but I see that it needs to, because the pattern is not clear. You see, overall, that's what it is doing. You see, like ranging and up and down. But I see that from here, yes, it can actually go up. If you see from here, the price has gone out of this range. It's like pushing up, but I'm not recommending yet any opportunity on this. Euro and Z. Yeah, this looks good. But it can, make a correction very quick. So for Euro and Z, it's pushing up. It's pushing up. Okay, so maybe you can make about 40 to 50 pips on this, but exit quick, because on daily chart, if you see here, it is pushing up, but it can also come down very quick. But for now, I see that you can actually buy this 30 to 50 pips. So for Euro JPY, I think it should be hitting our TP1 already, because we posted a signal on this here. Market broke this resistance and then shoot up. Right? Should be hitting the TP1, which is close to 100 pips. Should be recovering your previous trades of the week, the stock which was actually hit stop loss. And I see that it's going to push up today again. It will definitely go to the TP2, somewhere around there. GBP CAD is also planning to go down, right? And it's just playing around at this verified support. I see this has to go down. Once it breaks this support, then it will go back to this. So I see the forecast for GBP CAD is also downside. Sorry guys, once again. Euro USD. Okay, so Euro USD. By understanding the pattern, this is what it should be doing. At least till here, it's developing some sort of head and shoulder. So a little bit push up, but overall it will be going down. You see, market is kind of ranging. This can happen once in a while. It's not trending. You see, this can happen once in a while. That's where the forex lately has been a bit on the difficult note. But no worries, it's okay. Trading is filled with a lot of different, I would say that behaviors, and also different. All you need to do is that be patient and always wait for the right opportunity. That's how I see NZD USD should be coming down. As for now, it is also going down. You can actually on intraday basis expect to make from here. If you want to sell this now, about 30 pips trade, right? Because I see it is going down, right? It is slowly developing a downtrend. Oz dollar. also is Aussie dollar, Aussie dollar, Aussie dollar. Okay, let me give you a setup on this. 2, 3. Okay, I found it. Pending order here. Okay, pending order here. Stop loss right above. TP here, here. Just adjust it a bit down if you want to follow the risk to reward ratio. Okay. Once you place a trade, don't look at it. When you keep looking at it, you either close early or hit stop loss, doesn't matter. Just it's okay. But I see this should be going down. Don't look at the trade all the time. So this one will be for you also. See, most of the chart, you see here, it's like ranging up and down. We're looking for some sort of like, nice setup like trending. Forex market is in a range right now because too much of inconfusion indecision. But anyways, it's okay. Most important thing that you need to do is that focus on how to protect your capital. Don't always focus on how much you're making. Always learn how to protect your capital because market will give you some sort of golden opportunities. That's where you can work the most. So this is always like that. Always focus on how to protect your capital because market will always come with some sort of unexpected, beautiful, long, many pips opportunity. Like in one trade, you can capture a lot of pips. So this is how it works. All right. So other than that, what's going on in the Bitcoin story? In the Bitcoin story, let me just quickly show you. You see that this is what it calls a dangerous move. Look at that. It started to push up. Now it is still developing a pattern. It's going to range here for a while. Then from there we will see. But I see on a bigger note, on a bigger picture, this is going up. See, it has reversed from the previous level. But I see that matter of time, this is, you see, this is lifted up from this. I think I've already posted a forecast on this earlier, but let me just show it to you again and go up to this level because history has a tendency to repeat on its own in technical analysis, and this happens all the time. So you see the pattern here on a bigger note, bigger picture. This is support, this is resistance. Even though there is going to be a pullback retest of this, it's like some sort of triangle. You see this long way up. All right. So guys, thank you very much for joining this London session forecast. I really hope that it was another informative session for you. We always do our best to provide you the most support in terms of helping you to find the right opportunities. We will be coming back again next week, but don't worry, by tomorrow we will be having another forecast in the form of a video posted for you that will be giving you overall review in the FX and also in the stock market. We are always working with you together every single day, all right? Because we never want to leave you alone. So no worries. I will see you guys soon. Thank you very much and have a great trading week.